Did you know many engines break down before 50,000 miles? But not because they're defective? In most cases, it's simple neglect and skipped maintenance that leads to early engine failure. In this video, I'll show you 6 easy habits that restore performance, improve fuel economy, and prevent breakdowns. Before we start talking about the maintenance tips, hit that like button. It helps the channel more than you know. And if you're into smart car care, subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a video. Number 1. Change your engine oil regularly. One of the biggest causes of early engine failure is dirty or low-quality oil. Engine oil is like the blood of your car. It keeps everything moving smoothly and prevents internal parts from grinding against each other. But here's the problem. Many people wait too long to change it or use cheap oil that doesn't offer enough protection. Over time, this allows sludge to build up inside the engine. Sludge clogs oil passages, increases friction, and eventually leads to overheating or even total engine failure. Now, if you want to take your engine protection to the next level, switch to full synthetic oil. It flows better at all temperatures, resists breaking down under heat, and keeps the engine cleaner over time. Yes, it costs a bit more, but it's worth every penny in the long run. Number 2. Replace spark plugs on time. Next up, spark plugs. These small parts have a big job. They ignite the fuel-air mixture inside your engine. If they aren't firing correctly, you'll start seeing poor combustion, misfires, and reduced performance. What's worse is that worn-out spark plugs can cause raw fuel to enter the exhaust system, harming your catalytic converter, a repair that can easily cost $1,000 or more. Bad plugs also lead to carbon buildup. This buildup can sneak into your engine's combustion chamber, coating pistons and valves. Over time, it reduces efficiency and damages internal parts. To avoid this, replace your spark plugs at the recommended intervals. For most vehicles, that's every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. Always use the correct type of plug for your engine, not the cheapest option you can find online. Number 3. Clean or replace the air filter. Let's talk about air filters. Your engine needs oxygen to burn fuel, and the air filter keeps dirt, dust, and debris from entering the combustion chamber. But over time, it gets clogged, and a clogged air filter suffocates your engine. When airflow is restricted, the engine has to work harder. This not only lowers fuel economy, but also increases engine wear. In severe cases, dirty air can make its way into sensitive engine parts, accelerating damage. Replacing the air filter is cheap and easy. It usually costs less than $20 and takes under 10 minutes. If you drive in dusty conditions, check your filter every 10,000 miles. Otherwise, inspect it during every oil change. A clean filter helps your engine breathe better, and that means smoother acceleration, better gas mileage, and longer engine life. Before we move on to the next habit on this list, take a second to hit that like button if you're enjoying this video. It really helps the channel grow and lets us bring you more interesting videos in the world of cars. And if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video like this. Number 4. Drive gently, especially in the first 10 minutes. Your engine is at its most vulnerable right after you start it, especially in cold weather. When the engine is cold, oil hasn't fully circulated yet, and all the metal parts are still expanding to their normal operating size. If you start driving aggressively right away, you're putting extra stress on an engine that isn't ready for it. Instead, drive gently for the first 5 to 10 minutes. Let the engine warm up naturally by cruising calmly and avoiding high revs. Over time, this simple habit reduces wear, extends the life of engine components, and helps avoid those scary early failures we talked about earlier. It costs you nothing to be gentle, but it could save you thousands. Number 5. Listen to your engine. Your engine talks, but most people aren't listening. Knocking, whining, or tapping sounds can all be early warnings of trouble under the hood. The key is to never ignore strange noises. A soft ticking sound today could be a failing valve lifter. A knocking sound might mean worn-out rod bearings. Left unchecked, these sounds lead to major repairs. It's also smart to invest in a basic OBD2 scanner or use a mobile app to read engine trouble codes. These tools can help diagnose problems before they get worse. Many codes don't even trigger a check engine light right away, so scanning regularly can catch things early. And if something doesn't feel right, like a rough idle, poor acceleration, or odd smell, don't just hope it goes away. Be proactive. Listening now can prevent a breakdown later. Number 6. Inspect engine belts regularly. Finally, let's talk about engine belts. These might seem like small components, but they play a massive role. Belts control everything from the alternator and water pump to the power steering and air conditioning. If a belt snaps while you're driving, it could overheat your engine, drain your battery, or cause total engine failure. The problem is, belts don't always show obvious signs before failing. That's why you need to inspect them visually every oil change, or at least every 5,000 miles. Look for cracks, fraying, or signs of glazing. If you spot any of these, replace the belt immediately. Also, listen for squealing noises when you start the engine or turn the steering wheel. That could mean the belt is slipping, stretched, or improperly tensioned. Replacing a belt is far cheaper than repairing the damage it causes when it fails. Let me know in the comments which SUV or car gave you engine trouble, and if you've already tried any of these fixes. Don't forget to watch our next video. Avoid these 10 SUVs and sedans. Engine fails before 50k miles. And before you go, hit that subscribe button to fuel up the confidence, because next week, I'm breaking down the best used engines that last over 300,000 miles. I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe and keep that engine running like a beast.